Welcome to this guide on replacing the front strut of a Land Rover Range Rover Velar L560 with an Arnott electronic eRide air strut. We'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure a successful installation. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Begin by raising the vehicle and disabling the air suspension. Deflate the applicable spring according to the vehicle manufacturer's instructions and remove the wheel for access. Next, disconnect the electrical connector from the top of the strut. This step is crucial for safely removing the strut without damaging the electrical components. Remove the air fitting from the top of the strut, ensuring no dirt or grease enters the system. Then, disconnect the sway bar link from the spindle. Proceed by disconnecting the upper control arm from the spindle. This step is necessary to free the strut for removal from the vehicle. Remove the lower strut mount bolt. These bolts help to secure the strut in place and must be removed. Continue by removing the clevis bolt from the strut mount. Gently spread the clevis using an appropriate tool to separate the strut from the strut mount. Remove the 3 top nuts to fully detach the strut from the vehicle. You are now ready to completely remove the old air strut from the vehicle. With the old strut removed, prepare the new Arnott strut by removing the protective cap from the connector housing. This ensures a clean connection during installation. Then, install the new Arnott strut into the vehicle. Loosely thread the top nuts with the included washer to hold it in place. Seat the strut into the lower strut mount. Install the lower mount bolt, but do not fully tighten the bolt at this stage to allow for adjustments. Lift the wheel hub to normal ride height position using a jack. Install the clevis bolt and tighten it to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications for a secure fit. Reconnect the upper control arm and sway bar link to the spindle, tightening all connections to the manufacturer's specifications to ensure stability. Tighten the lower strut mount bolt and the top mount nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. This ensures the strut is securely installed. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Scratches and deep cuts in the airline can result in possible leaks. Inspect the airline before insertion. The airline needs to be replaced if damaged. Install the airline into the air fitting and connect the electrical connector to the top of the strut for proper functionality. Finally, install the wheel and enable the air suspension. Inflate the strut according to the vehicle manufacturer's instructions. Thank you for choosing Arnott for your suspension needs.